Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Charnelle, and I want to talk to you all today about Care of. Recently, I ordered vitamins from careof.com. I took a health survey about things that I've been noticing in my life that I wanted to change. And so here is what is inside of my box when it came. I was shocked. Hi. Honest guidance, better ingredients. So I ordered a plant-based protein, vitamins, as well as a blender bottle that I did not need. Take Care of is a subscription base, and I love that it's personalized. I love my name, Charity, so I love seeing it on everything. And this here is my plant-based protein. As I stated earlier, this box here is my vitamins. I have I think 4 different types of vitamins in my pack. And as you can see, there's always a quote, a question, a motivational piece on each vitamin pack, and I love that. That is my blender bottle, and it's actually from the brand Blender Bottle. I thought it was strictly Take Care of, but it's not, but it's cool. And this, as you can see, Care of is going into beauty, as in for healthier skin and hair. So they're going to provide different types of collagen and vitamins for you, for your needs. I'm very bad at taking care of my skin, but I don't have many issues, and I know I take that for granted. Made for charity. That's me. These are the vitamins that are inside my pill packs every single day. And this is just a guide on how to take your vitamins, your collagen, your plant-based protein, your boost if you got boost for workout. Originally in my my quiz that I took, or survey, they did provide me with the quick boost for energy and workout. But in order for me to reach that stage, I have to do one thing successfully before I can integrate anything else into my life. So right now I am completing phase 1 and heading into phase 2 of my transformation. And this is great. So thank you all for watching. Have a great day. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.